Hello everyone, this is WonderPhil and I'm going to show you a really cool puzzle that uses cups. Here's how it looks. We're going to turn over 2 cups at a time. We're going to keep turning over 2 at a time until all the cups are the right way up. Simple, right? So who's going to give it a try? This is a great puzzle that can fool grown-ups, toddlers, seniors, and even dogs. So here's the secret. You cheat. I'm going to solve it one more time and show you how easy it really is. So if it's that easy, why are other people not going to be able to do it? When you solve the puzzle, it starts off looking like this. When your friend solves the puzzle, it starts off looking like this. This, that. See the difference? Once you've solved the puzzle and shown how easy it is, take the middle cup, turn it over, and say, you try. When the cups are in this position, the puzzle is impossible. No matter how much they try, they're never going to get it. Unless... Please go take a look at more of my channel where you can watch performance videos and learn more tricks.